ॐ शुक्लाम्बरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करभावहै तेजस्विनावतीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। अगजाननपद्मार्कं गजाननमहर्निशम् अनेकदन्तं भक्तानाम् एकदन्तमुपास्महे। श्रीमहागणपतये नमः। गुरवे सर्वलोकानां विषजे भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां श्रीदक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं। ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलस्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां श्रीहयग्रीवमुपास्महे। श्रीहयग्रीवमूर्तये नमः। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। श्रीमहासरस्वत्यै नमः। उमाकोमलहस्ताब्ज सम्भावितललाटकं हिरण्यकुण्डलं वन्दे कुमारं पुष्करस्रजं। வெற்றிவேல் முருகனுக்கு ஹரஹரோஹரா. லோகவீரியம் மகாபூஜ்யம் சர்வரக்ஷாகரம் விபும் பார்வதி ஹிருதயானந்தம் சாஸ்தாரம் பிரணமாம்யகம். சுவாமியே சரணமையப்பா. வாகர்த்தாவிவ சம்பிருக்தௌ வாகர்த்த பிரதிபத்தயே जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। श्री पार्वती परमेश्वराभ्यां नमः। कोमलं कूजयन् वेणुं श्यामलोऽयं कुमारकः वेदवेद्यं परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेवा। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेवा। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेवा। पीताम्बरं करविराजितचक्रशङ्खकौमोदकी सरसिजं करुणासमुद्रं राधासहायम् अतिसुन्दरमन्दहासं वातालयेशम् अनिशं हृदि भावयामि। कृष्णो रक्षतु मां चराचरगुरुः कृष्णं नमस्ये सदा। कृष्णेनैव सुरक्षितोऽहमसकृत् कृष्णाय दत्तं मनः। कृष्णादेव समुद्भवो मम विभो कृष्णस्य दासोऽस्म्यहं। कृष्णे भक्तिरचञ्चलास्तु भगवन् हे कृष्ण तुभ्यं नमः। श्रीगुरुवायूरप्पा शरणं। नम्राणां सन्निधत्ते सततमपि पुरस्तैरनभ्यर्थितानपि अर्थान् कामानजस्रं वितरति परमानन्दसान्द्रां गतिं च। इत्थं निःशेषलभ्यो निरवधिकफलः पारिजातो हरे त्वं क्षुद्रं तं शक्रवाटी द्रुममभिलषति व्यर्थमर्त्यव्रजोऽयम्। श्रीगुरुवायूरप्पा शरणं। श्रीभट्टपादम् अनिशं हृदि भावयामि। वंशीविभूषितकरात् नवनीरधाभात् पीताम्बरात् अरुणबिम्बफलाधरोष्टात् पूर्णेन्दुसुन्दरमुखात् अरविन्दनेत्रात् कृष्णात् परं किमपि तत्त्वमहं न जाने। കൈരണ്ടും കൂപ്പി ഞാൻ വീണ്ടുമീറക്കുന്നു നീരജലോചന നിന്നോടായി. ഏതീനു മന്യനെ കുമ്പീടേണ്ടാത്തോരു രീതിയിൽ നീ എന്നെ പാലിക്കന്നായി. കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ. We're still missing Satya today. Okay. All right, so Nikki, what we'll do is let's rehearse, I think, chapter 13, right? And then we'll go to chapter 16. So Suja and sorry, Jayashree, can you both do 13?
I have not practiced this time because of election week. To be honest, நான் 4 வரைக்கும் தான் பண்ணியிருக்கேன்.
No, okay. So Priya, can you do it?
I can do it. Yeah, I can do.
Okay. So Priya, you go, then Sujata, you go, and then Jayashree and Uma can be students for 16. Okay.
Okay. So I will start first, right?
Yeah.
Okay. हिरण्याक्षं तावद्वरद भवदन्वेषणपरं चरन्दं सांवर्ते पयसि निजजङ्घापरिमिते भवत्भक्तो गत्वा कपटपडुधीर्नारदमुनिः शनैरूचे नन्दन्दनुजमपि निन्दं स्तव बलम् समायावी विष्णुर्हरदि भवदीयां वसुमतीं प्रभो कष्टं कष्टं किमिदमिति तेनाभिगदितः नदन् क्वासौ क्वासा विधि समुनिना दर्शितपथो भवन्दं सम्प्रापद धरणिधरमुद्यन्दमुदगात् अहो आरण्योऽयं मृग इति हसन्दं बहुतरैः दुरुक्तैर्विध्यन्दं दिदिसुतमवज्ञाय भगवन् महीं दृष्ट्वा दंष्ट्रा शिरसि चकितां स्वेन महसा पयोधावाधाय प्रसभमुदयुङ्था मृदविधौ गदापाणौ दैत्यै त्वमभिः गृहीतोन्नतगदो नियुङ्क्तेन क्रीडन् खडखडरवोत्कुष्टवियता ऋणालोकौत्सुक्यान्मिळति सुरसङ्खे द्रुममुं निरुन्ध्याः सन्ध्याथ प्रथममिति धात्रा जगदिशे.
Priya ji, sorry, so you said it correct, but maybe just the tune, right? You may want to look at it, right? So my pitch will be different from yours, but Ranhalokautsukyan milati surasanghe drutamamum nirundyah sandhyada pratamamiti datra jagadishe. Right? So just
ऋणालोकौत्सुक्यान् मिळति सुरसङ्खे द्रुममं निरुन्ध्याः सन्ध्याथ प्रथममिति धात्रा जगदिशे. I think I'll correct it. I think I'm getting it somewhere wrong.
Yeah, I think the Drutamamum, you're not saying it correct. I think that's where. Surasanghe Drutamamum, just slow it down there, right? That's okay, but you can move forward now. But at that point, maybe slow down. Okay.
Okay. गदोन्मर्दे तस्मिन् तव खलु गदायां दिदिभुवो गदाघातात् भूमौ झटिति पतिताय महः भोः मृदुस्मेरास्यस्त्वं धनुजकुलनिर्मूलनचणं महाचक्रं स्मृत्वा करभुवि दधानूरुरुचिषे ततः शूलं कालप्रतिमरुषि दैत्यै विसृजति त्वयि छिन्दत्येन करकरितचक्रप्रहरणात् समारुष्टो मुष्ट्या स खलु विदुदं स्वां समदनोद गळन्माये मायाः त्वयि किल जगन्मोहनकरीः भवच्चक्रज्योतिष्कणलवणनिपातेन विदुते ततो मायाचक्रे विततघनरोषान्धमनसं गिरिष्टाभिर्मुष्टिप्रहृतिभिः अभिघ्नन्दमसुरं कराग्रेण स्वेन श्रवणपदमूले निरवधिः महाकायः सोऽयं करसरोजप्रमथितो
तव करसरोज.
Okay. महाकायः सोऽयं तव करणसरोजप्रमथितो गलद्रक्तो.
Sorry, Priyaji. Sorry. Tava Kara
Okay. महाकायः सोऽयं तव करसरोजप्रमथितो गलद्रक्तो वक्त्राद अपददृशिभिः श्लाघितः हतिः तदा त्वामुद्दाम प्रमदभरविद्योदिहृदया मुनीन्द्रासान्द्राभिः स्तुतिभिरनुवन्नत्वरतनुं त्वजिच्छन्दो रोमस्वविकुशगणचक्षुषिकृतं चतुर्होतारोङ्घ्रौ सृगभिवदने चोदर इढा ग्रहाजिह्वायां ते परपुरुषकर्णे च चमसा विभो सोमो वीर्यं वरदगणदेशेऽपि वसदः. मुनीन्द्रैरित्यादिस्थवनमुखरैर्मोदितमनाः महीयस्यामूर्त्या विमलतरकीर्त्या च विलसन् स्वादिष्ण्यं सम्प्राप्तः सुखरसविहारी मधुरिपो निरुन्ध्यारोगं मे सकलमपि वातालयपदे.
Good.
कृष्णाय परब्रह्मणे हिरण्याक्षं तावत् वरद भवतन्वेषणपरं चरन्तं सांवर्ते पयसि निजजङ्गा परिमिते भवद्भक्तो गत्वा कपटपटुतीर्नारदमुनिः शनैरुचैर्नन्दन् दनुजमपि नन्दं स्तव फलम् निन्दं स्तव फलम् समायावि विष्णुर्हरति भवधीयां वसुमतीं प्रभो कष्टं कष्टं किमिदमिति तेनाभिगतितः नदन् क्वासौ क्वासाविति समुनिना दर्शितपतो भवन्तं सम्प्रापत् धरणिधरम् उद्यन्तमुदकात्. On the tune do maripet okay. Aho aranyoyam मृग इति हसन्तं बहुतरैः दुरुक्तैर्विद्यन्तं दितिसुत भवज्ञाय भगवन्
दितिसुतम् अवज्ञाय भगवन्.
ओके. अहो आरण्योऽयं मृग इति हसन्तं बहुतरैः दुरुक्तैर्विद्यन्तं दितिसुतमवज्ञाय भगवन्. ओके. महीं दृष्ट्वा दंष्ट्रा शिरसि चकितां स्वेन महसा पयोदावादाय प्रसभमुदयुङ्क्त्या मृदविधौ गथापाणौ दैत्ये त्वमपि गृहीतोन्नतगतो नियुङ्क्तेन क्रीडन् गुष्टवियथा रणालोकौस्तुक्यान् मिलति सुरसङ्के द्रुतममुं निरुन्ध्याः सन्ध्यात प्रथममिति दात्रा जगदिशे गतोन्मर्दे तस्मिन् तव खलु गतायां दितिभुवो गाताद् भूमौ झटिति पतितायाम् अहहबोः मृदुस्मेरास्यस्त्वं धनुजकुलनिर्मूलनशनं महाचक्रं स्मृत्वा करभुवि तथा नोरुरुचिषे ततः शूलं काला प्रतिमरुषि दैत्ये विसृजति त्वयि छिन्दत्येन करकलितचक्रप्रहरणात् समारुष्टो मृष्ट्या सकलु मुष्ट्या समारुष्टो मुष्ट्या सकलु विधुद्धं स्वां समतनोत् गलं माने मायाः त्वयि किल जगन्मोहनकरीः.
Sorry, on the first word, galan maye mayaah.
Oh, na edo matichane na. Okay, galan maye mayaah त्वयि किल जगन्मोहनकरीः भवच्चक्रत् ज्योतिष्कन लवनिपातेन विदुते ततो मायाचक्रे विततगणरोषान्तमनसं गरिष्ठाभिर्मुष्टिप्रहृतिभिः अभिघ्नन्तमसुरं कराग्रेण स्वेन श्रवणपदमूले निरवतीः महाकायसोऽयं तव करसरोज प्रमथितो गलद्रक्तो वक्त्राद अपत ऋषिभिः.
And Vaktrad Kapran, just take a pause, right? Galadrakto Vaktrat.
Okay. Galadrakto Vaktrat apat Rishibhish श्लाघितहतिः तथा तामुद्धां प्रमदबरविद्योतिहृदया मुनीन्द्रा सान्द्रभिः नुवन्तरतनुम्.
அங்க ரெண்டு இன் இருக்குல்லையாங்க. ஸ்துதி பீரனுவன் ஸ்துதி பீரனுவன் அத்வரதனும்.
நத்வரதனும். ஓகே. ஸ்துதி பீரனுவன் நத்வரதனும். त्वचिच्छन्दो रोमस्वपि कुशगणः चक्षिषु घृतं चतुर्होतारो ग्रौ शृगपि वदने चोदरैडा गृहा जिह्वायां ते ग्रहा जिह्वायां ते परपुरुषकर्णे च चमसा विभो सोमो वीर्यं वरदगलदेशे युपसदः मुनीन्द्रैरित्यादि स्तवनमुखरैर्मोदितमनाः महीयस्या मूर्त्या विमलतरकीर्त्या च विलसन् स्वदेश्यं सम्प्राप्तः सुकरसविहारी मधुरिपो निरुन्द्यारोगं मे सकलमपि वातालयपते.
Rajesh, I have one question. In stanza 4, the last line, அது நிருந்தியா அது ஒன்னு சொல்றேன். Is it nirundhya sandhya
nirundhyaha and then you stop there, right? So rana lokautsukyan milati surasange dhrutamamum nirundhyaha sandhyadah pratamamiti dhatra jagadishe.
Okay, thank you. And then in stanza 8 on the last line on the cholrela and the stuti bir anuvan adonu cholrela.
So adu vandu and the word request stuti bir, there are three words in there, okay? One is stuti bir, stuti bihi, right? But stuti bihi, instead of the visarga they have the ir there, okay? So if you want to break it, stuti bir anuvan advaratanu, those are the three words. But then when you write it together of stuti bir anuvan advaratanu, when you join it, it becomes stuti bir anuvan advaratanum. So it's like two, one in and one na, okay?
Right. Okay.
So stuti bir anuvan advaratanum.
Got it. Okay, thank you.
Okay. All right. So we go to 16 today. So 16 one is the Naranarayana the chapter and also the Daksha Yagam. So Uma will, once we kind of go through that, Uma will do first, and then I don't know who I picked, I forgot.
Me.
Oh, okay, Jayashree. Okay. Okay, chapter 16. Daksho virinchatanayotamanostanujam labdva prasutimiha shodasha chapakanyaha dharme trayodasha dadhau pitrushaswadham cha swaham havirbhuji sathim girishe twadamshe. So when the various avatarams happened, right, we all know kind of the 10 avatarams or 9 which have happened as the important ones. But again, the Lord has taken a lot of other avatarams, right? So we also saw inga namanda Kapilopakyanam, right? When we learned Kapilopakyanam, the Lord was also born as Kapila. So that was also an avataram of the Lord. So adhe mari indilla Naranarayana avataram is like an avataram, but then it doesn't get generally counted because people only focus on the top 10 avatarams, right? There are a lot of other things which doesn't get counted. Anyway, so here, if you look at the tree, so Brahma, right? So Brahma had the Manu. Manu was like the spiritual son of Brahma, right? And Brahma had a lot of other people, sons. But then in addition to creating 10 kids out of his mind, out of his spiritual kids, he also had other kids like Daksha and everybody. So here Daksha Virincha Thanayaha. So Virincha is Brahma. So Daksha was also the son of Brahma. And then Manu was also the son of Brahma, right? But Manu is a spiritual son of Brahma. So you can't quite think of Daksha and Manu as brothers in this case, right? I'm saying that because Daksha Virincha Tanayaha, so Daksha, who is the son of Brahma, Mano Tanujam Prasutim, Manu's daughter Prasuti, got married. So you can't think like Chitapa, Peripa, it's not, that relation is not there here because it's not like, like regular kids, right? So Daksha got married to Prasuti, who was the daughter of Manu, and Daksha is one of the sons of Brahma. And to them, they had Shodasha Kanyaha. They got 16 daughters for them. And then Dharma, along with Daksha, Dharma is also into the category of Daksha, Dharma, Agni, Kamadeva are also considered sons of Brahma in other forms. So Dharme Trayodasha Dado. So Trayodasha, 13 of those daughters got married to Dharma. Pitrusha Swadhamcha. And then to the Pitrus. So here Pitrus, there are two types of Pitrus. There are the Pitrus who we think of like our ancestors who die and become Pitrus. Then there are also like Devata Pitrus, right, who are the ancestors of the Devatas. So to those Devatas Pitrus, he gave Swada. Swada, that's the name of the other daughter. So 13 daughters went to Dharma. The 14th daughter Swada went to the Pitrus. Swaham Havir Bhuji. So Havis is what you offer to Agni, right? So the one who consumes that Havis, Havir Bhuji, Agni. So he gave Swaha is the name of the daughter who went to Agni. And then Satim Girishe Tvad Amshe. So Girisha is Lord Shiva. Sati was the 16th daughter. So the 16th daughter Sati was married to Lord Shiva, who was Tvad Amshe, who is kind of your form, like you, one part of you. So that's what the first answer here. So 16 daughters and how they get married. So Daksho Virincha Thanayota Manos Thanujam, Labdva Prasutim Iha Shodasha Chapakanyaha Dharme Trayodasha Dadau, Pitrusha Swadhamcha, Swaham Habir Bhuji Satim Girishe Twadamshe. So just after the Dadau, there is a comma, that's all. Daksho Virinchatanayota Manhostanujam Labdva Prasuti Miha Shodasha Chapakanyaha Dharme Trayodasha Dadau Pitrusha Swadhamcha Swaham Havir Bhuji Satim Girishe Twadhamshe.
Daksho Virinchatanayotha Manostanujam Labdva Prasutimiha Shodasha Chapakanyaha Dharme Trayodasha Dadau Pitrushu Swadhamcha Swaham Havir Bhuji Satim Girishe Twadamshe. Daksho Virinchatanayotha Manostanujam Labdva Prasutimiha Shodasha Chapakanyaha Dharme Trayodasha Dadau Pitrushu Swadhamcha Swaham Havir Bhuji Satim Girishe Twadamshe.
Daksho Virinchatanayota Manostanojam Labdva Prasuti Miha Shodasha Chapakanyaha Dharme Trayodash Dadau Pitrushu Swadamcha Swaham Havir Bhuji Satim Girishe Twadamshe. Daksho Virinchatanayota Manostanujam Labdva Prasuti Miha Shodasha Chapakanyaha Dharme Trayodasha Dadau Pitrushu Swadamcha Swaham Havir Bhuji Satim Girishe Twadamshe.
Stanza 2. Murtir Hidharma Grihini Sushuve Bhavantam Narayanam Narasakam Mahitanubhavam Yajjanmane Pramudita Kritathurya Ghoshaha Pushpotkaran Prabhavushur Nunuvus Surhaugha. So out of the 13 daughters who got married to Dharma, one of them's name was Murti. So to that Murti and Dharma were born twins, or not necessarily twins in the regular sense, but two kids were born. One was Nara and the other was Narayana, right? So they both were born, and then they Nara. So here Narasakam Mahitanubhavam. So like along, they were inseparable, right? So they were not necessarily twins, but they were inseparable, and they were always together, and they were born together at that time. And then Yet Janmani, at that birth, when that birth happened of Narayana, so all the devas, etc., were like, Kritaturya Goshaha. So they kind of sounded, they were all very happy at the birth of Nara and Narayana, and then they Pushpotkaran, so they showered flowers and they played all the music instruments, etc. So kind of auspicious occasion. So this is the birth of Nara Narayana is happening in this stanza. So Murtirhi, remember there are two irs there, right? One is after mu, one is after ti. So Murtirhi dharma grihini sushuve bhavantam, comma Narayanam Narasakam Mahitanubhavam Yad Janmani. Then Pramuditaha, the Visarga is there. So put a ik there because the next word is ka. So Yad Janmani Pramudithak Kritaturya Goshaha, comma Pushpotkaran Prava Vrishur. So Prava Vrishur Nunuvus Suraughaha. Nunubuhu. So put a S there. Nunuvus Suraughaha. Okay, so you can break it there. Prava Vrishur Nunuvus Suraughaha. So Murtir Hidharma Grihini Sushuve Bhavantam Narayanam Narasakam Mahitanubhavam Yajjanmani Pramudita Kritaturya Goshaha Pushpotkaran Prabhavushur Nunuvus Suraughaha.
Murtirhi dharma grihini sushuve bhavantam Narayanam Narasakham Mahitanubhavam Yajjanmani Pramudita Kritaturya Ghoshaha Pushpotkaran Pravavrishurnunuvusuraughaha. Murtirhi dharma grihini sushuve bhavantam Narayanam Narasakham Mahitanubhavam Yajjanmani Pramudita Kritaturya Ghoshaha Pushpotkaran Pravavrishurnunuvusuraughaha.
Murtirhi dharma grihini sushube bhavantam Narayanam Narasakam Mahitanubhavam Yajanmani Pramudita Kritaturya Goshaha Pushpotkaran Pravavishurnunuvusuraughaha. Murtirhi dharma grihini sushube bhavantam Narayanam Narasakam Mahitanubhavam Yajjanmani Pramudita Kritaturya Goshaha Pushpotkaran Pravavishurnunuvusuraughaha.
Stanza 3. Daityam sahasrakavacham kavachaih paritam sahasravatsara tapas samarabhilavyaihi paryaya nirmita tapas samarau bhavantau shishtaika kankatamahum nyahatam salilam. So here, maybe I don't know if any of you know, I'll ask, and whoever knows can unmute. So Daityam, an Asura, Sahasra Kavacham, he had 1,000 armors. So he was called Sahasra Kavacham. Sahasra Kavacha was his name because he had 1,000 armors. Anyone knows who that is?
He becomes Karna later. I know that.
That's right. So this Asura, right, Sahasra Kavacha, he was born with 1,000 armors, or 1,000 armors is like, not necessarily physical armors, right? Think of it as he has 1,000 lives, right? Think of it that way. And that Asura, right, he had done a lot of penance to Brahma and everything, and then he got that boon. So the only way to defeat that Asura is somebody has to do penance for 1,000 years, And then when you do penance for 1,000 years, you get enough power. Then you fight him for 1,000 years. And then he loses one kavacham. And then again you have to do penance for 1,000 years. And then you have to fight him again for 1,000 years. Right? So if you do this in a linear way, it becomes like 2,000 years times 1,000 kavachams, number of years. Right? So that's the reason Nara and Narayana were born together. Because Narayana, being Narayana, already came with the 1,000 years of yogic power. So when Narayana was born, the first Narayana went and did the battle with Sahasra Kavacha for 1,000 years. When Narayana was doing the battle with Sahasra Kavacha, Nara was doing the penance. Then when the 1,000 years got over and one of his Kavacham was lost, then Nara went and fought with Sahasra Kavacha and Narayana went into penance. So that way they were kind of multitasking, right? So this one, they do this. So in this what Bhattacharya part says is, Sahasra Kavacham, Sahasra Vatsara Tapas Samarabilavyehi. So you could only be, this Kavacham could only be pierced when you do tapas for 1,000 years and then you fight for 1,000 years. So Bhavan Thau. So Bhavan Thau, two people here. So you two, which means Nara and Narayana, Paryaya Nirmita Tapas Samar. You take turns in fighting and doing penance. Shishta Eka Kankatamamu. So only one Kavacham was left, right? And that one Kavacham that was left. And this long story behind why only one Kavacham was left and all that stuff. But eventually, they went in and then it was said that then there is this, what the story goes is he would eventually be born as Karna. So, because Karna is like related to the Surya Bhagavan, right? So Surya Bhagavan comes in and says, okay, I'll give you one last chance. So he's born with that one Kavacham later on. Now, this is not said in Bhagavatam, but it is there in Mahabharata and other stories. It is said that the Sahasra Kavacha had one Kavacham left and later on was eventually born in a different yuga as Karna, where Nara and Narayana as Arjuna and Krishna defeated and took the last Kavacham away. So here Bhattacharya just says in the lens, Shishteka Kankatamu, you just left one coat of that Kavacham was still left at the end of this battle. And you killed all the other things, Salilam, as if it was an easy sport. Everything else, the 99 was destroyed. Okay, so Daityam Sahasra Kavacham Kavachaif Paritam. Put a F there because of the Visarga. Kavachaif Paritam, comma. Sahasra Vatsara Tapas Samarabilavyehi. Sahasra Vatsara Tapas Samarabilavyehi Paryaya Nirmita Tapas Samarau Bhavantau, comma, Shishtaika Kankatamamum, Kankatam Amum, Shishtaika Kankatamamum Nyahatam Salilam. Daityam Sahasra Kavacham Kavachai Paritam Sahasravatsara tapas samarabilavyehi Paryaya nirmita tapas samarau bhavantau Shishtaika kankatamahum nyahatam salilam.
Daityam sahasra kavacham kavachaiv paritam Sahasravatsara tapas samarabhilavyaihi Paryaya nirmita tapas samarau bhavantau Shishtaika kankatamamum nyahatam salilam. Daityam sahasra kavacham kavachaiv paritam Sahasravatsara tapas samarabhilavyaihi Paryaya nirmita tapas samarau bhavantau Shishtaika kankatamamum nyahatam salilam.
Daityam Sahasra Kavacham Kavachai Paritam Sahasravatsara Tapasamara Bilavyehi Paryaya Nirmita Tapasamarau Bhavantau Shishtaika Kankatamamam Nyahatam Salilam. Daityam Sahasra Kavacham Kavachai Paritam Sahasravatsara Tapasamara Bilavyehi Paryaya Nirmita Tapasamarau Bhavantau Shishtaika Kankatamamam Nyahatam Salilam.
4. Anvacharannupadishannapi moksha dharmam त्वं भ्रातृमान् बदरिकाश्रममध्यवासीः शक्रोत ते शमतपोबलनिस्सहात्मा दिव्यांगना परिवृतं प्रजिघायमारम्. So one of the main reasons for that Naranarayana's avataram was to kill Sahasrakavacha, right? That is just getting covered in one paragraph, but that was the main intention of the thing because it spanned for thousands and thousands of years. So then once all of that got over, right? So Upadishan is to preach and Anvacharan is to follow. So both practicing it as well as teaching, right? What Moksha Dharmam on how to get liberation. When doing that practice, a part of that, Tvam Bratruman, so along with your brother. So Narayana, Tvam, you, right? So again, Bhattacharya is referring to Narayana as Guru Arpa, they're all mixed here, right? So Tvam, you, along with your brother, Nara, Badarikashramam Adhyavatsihi, went to this place called Badarikashrama, right? So they went in and then they settled there and then they were teaching and practicing the path of liberation. So when all of this was happening, Shakra, who's Indra here, they Shama Tapobala Nissahatma. So Tapobala, because of the strength the Lord had got because of his tapam and his penance, Indra got very jealous because of the power. So what does Indra do? He sends Maram Divyangana Parivritam. So he sends Kamadeva along with all the Divyangana, all the celestial women and everything to disturb. Because that's what happens everywhere in our scriptures. Whoever is doing penance, then they send a bunch of celestial women to go disturb that penance. So that's what Indra does here. He sends them along with Kamadeva to go disturb the Lord here. So Anvacharan. So again, it's Anvacharan plus Upadishannapi, but then it is because it is joined together. It's one small in and then a nu, right? So you kind of can say Anvacharan Nupa Dishannapi. Again, Shannapi. There are two N there as well. Anvacharan Nupa Dishannapi Moksha Dharmam, comma. Tvam Bratruman. Bratru. Okay, so don't confuse that. Bratruman Badarikashramam. Badarikashramam Adhyavatsihi. Badarikashramam Adhyavatsihi. Shakrotate Shama Tapo Bala Nissahatma. Shama Tapo Bala Nissahatma. Divyangana Parivritam Prajigaya Maram. Anvacharannupadishannapi moksha dharmam Tvam Bratruman Badarikashramamadyavatsihi Shakrotate Shamatapo Balanissahatma Divyangana Parivritam Prajigaya Maram.
Anvacharannupadishannapi moksha dharmam Tvam Bratruman Badarikakshamamadhyavatsihi Shakrotate Shamatapo Balanissahatma Divyangana Parivritam Prajigaya Maram. Anvacharannupadishannapi moksha dharmam Tvam Bratruman Badarikakshamamadhyavatsihi.
Sorry, Badarikak nu kekkuradhu. There's no ik there. Tvam Bratruman Badarikashrama.
Okay. Tvam Bratruman Badarikakshamamadhyavatsihi Shakrotate Shamatapo Balanissahatma Divyangana Parivritam Prajigaya Maram.
Anvacharannupadishannapi moksha dharmam Tvam Bratruman Badarikashramam Adhyavatsihi Shakrotate Shamatapo Balanissahatma Divyangana Parivritam Prajigaya Maram. Anvacharannupadishannapi moksha dharmam Tvam Bratruman Badarikashramam Madhyavatsihi Shakrotate Samatapo Balanissahatma Divyangana Parivritam Prajigaya Maram.
stanza 5. Kamo vasantamalaya-nilabandhushali kanta kataksha vishikair vikasat vilasaihi vidyan muhur muhura kampa mudiksha chatvam bhirustvayata jagate mriduhasa bhaja. So Kama, who's referring to Kamadeva here, right? So when he's coming, like when he's trying to create, when he's trying to disturb the Lord and everything or anybody, he has to create the right atmosphere, right? So he can't be coming in hot summer and all that. So he brings Vasanta, spring, and Malayanila. So Malaya breeze is like a very fragrant breeze, right? So he brings that as his Bandhushali along with him. So he comes and he creates an environment there where it's a pleasant spring environment with nice breeze going on. And then Kanta Kataksha Vishikai. So which means it's like in the, poetically they say, right? They're like the women are looking on the side and it's as if the arrows are coming out of their eyes, right? Just from their glances, the arrows are coming. And then Vindhyan Muhu Muhuhu, they are piercing again and again. So they are like trying to, disturb the Lord because of Vilasaihi. And they are kind of doing different movements and actions to kind of disturb the Lord. And they do all these things to distract Nara and Narayana. However, Akampam Udiksha Chatvam. So that at this point, the Lord is unwavered. Nothing is happening. They try to disturb in all these different ways. Nothing is happening. And then they all get scared because they try to do all this. The Indra send the best of what he has, and the Lord is still undistracted. And then what happens is Mridu Hasa Bhaja. The Lord then smiles and then tells them, and then this stanza gets over. So essentially, they're not able to trouble the Lord, and he's not distracted. So Kamo Vasanta Malayanila Bandhushali Kanta Kataksha Vishikair Vikasat Vilasaihi. Okay, Kanta Kataksha Vishikair Vikasat Vilasaihi Vidyan Muhur, again, two Muhur Akampam Udiksha Chatvam Birus Tvayata Jagade Mridu Hasa Bhaja.
Rajesh,
Rajesh,
இந்த bookல வேற ஏதோ போட்டிருக்கு.
இந்த லைன்ல
last line.
இந்த இதுல என்னது?
பீதஸ் துவயாத்னு போட்டிருக்கு.
எங்க புக்லயே அதான் போட்டிருக்கு, பீதஸ்.
ஆமா,
பீதஸ் துவயாத் ஜகதே.
பீதஸ்.
ரெண்டு புக்லயும் அப்படிதான். என்கிட்ட ரெண்டு புக் இருக்கு, ரெண்டு புக்லயும் அப்படிதான் போட்டிருக்கு.
பீதஸ் துவயாத்.
Tvayatha Jagade Mriduhasa Bhaja.
Oh yeah, actually, you know what? You're right. I don't know why my old other book also has it. So be thus. So remove the ru for whoever has be rus. Remove the ru and put be thus. Be thus tvayata jagate mriduhasa bhaja. Okay. So Kamo Vasantamalaya-nilabandhushali Kanta Kataksha Vishikair Vikasat Vilasaihi Vidyan Muhur Muhura Kampa Mudiksha Chatvam Bidastvayata Jagate Mriduhasa Bhaja.
Kamo Vasantamalaya-nilabandhushali Kanta Kataksha Vishikair Vikasat Vilasaihi Vidyan muhur muhurakampa mudiksha chatvam bhitastvayatha jagade mriduhasa bhaja. Kamo vasantamalaya nilabandhushali kanta kataksha vishikhair vikasad vilasaihi vidyan muhurakampa mudiksha chatvam Bhitastvayatha jagade mriduhasa bhaja.
Kamo vasantamalaya-nilabandhushali Kanta Kataksha Vishikair Vikasad Vilasaihi Vidyan Muhur Muhurakampam Akampam Mudiksha Chatvam भीतस्त्वयात जगदे मृदुहासभाजा कामो वसन्तमलया निलबन्धुशाली कान्ता कटाक्ष विशिखैर्विकसद्विलासैः विद्यन्मुहुर्मुहुरकम्पम् उदीक्ष च त्वां भीतस्त्वयात जगदे मृदुहासभाजा.
Stanza 6. भीत्यालमङ्गज वसन्त सुराङ्गनावो मन्मानसं त्विहजुषद्वमिति ब्रुवाणः त्वं विस्मयेन त्वं विस्मयेन स्तुतवता எனக்கு வர மாட்டேங்குது
துவதான் போட்டிருக்கீங்க
துவதா
त्वं विस्मयेन परितस्तुवतामतैषां प्रादर्शयस्व परिचारककातराक्षीः. Thanks. Like I was getting mixed up there. So they try to disturb the Lord and everything, right? So Angaja. So they were all like first before Angaja. Actually they were all like wonderstruck. We said last time, right? That nothing is happening. And what they do is Tuvatam at the Esham. So they start praising the Lord, saying, you know what, really amazing, right? We are all trying to disturb you and nothing is happening. So then the Lord tells them, Angaja. Angaja is referring to somebody who doesn't have Angam. Angam is body in this case, right? So here it is referring to Kamadeva is called Angaja because if you all remember, when Shiva and Parvati were there and Shiva was meditating, Kamadeva once went in to disturb Shiva, and then Shiva opened his third eye and Kamadeva got burned, right? So he wasn't burned to ashes. So he's not supposed to have a body, physical body. So that's why he's called Angaja. So the difference here is, Anda Samayatla, when he went to disturb Lord Shiva, Shiva opened his third eye and burnt him down. In this case, when he comes to now disturb Narayana, so Narayana tells Angaja, and then all the damsels and everybody else who's there saying, do not fear, Bhityalayam, do not fear, and says, to kind of remove their pride away, right? Saying that if even the people who came are all kind of coming from the Lord. So here he essentially says is, don't worry, let me show you what I can also do, or what I can also produce or make, right? Or what I also have to reduce their pride. And then he shows the other beautiful women or woman who he has, and that will come in the next paragraph, right? So this is kind of to lower the pride, saying, don't try to trick me with all this. So Bhityalam Angaja. Bhityalam Angaja, you can say it together as Bhityalam Angaja Vasanta Suranganavo, Manmanasam Tviha Manmanasam Tviha Jushad Vamiti Bruvanaha Tvam Vismayena Paritahar, you can put a is there. Tvam Vismayena Paritas Stuvatam Ataisham, Pradarshayas, and again Visarga is there. So Pradarshayas Swa Paricharaka Katarakshihi. Swa Paricharaka Katarakshihi. So Bhityalamangaj Vasanta Suranganavo Manmanasam Tvihajushadvamite Bruvanaha Tvam Vismayena Paritastuvatamataysham Pradarshayasva Paricharaka Katarakshihi.
भीत्यालमङ्गज वसन्त सुराङ्गनावो मन्मानसं त्विहजुषध्वमिति ब्रुवाणः त्वं विस्मयेन परितस्तुवतामथैषां प्रादर्शयस्व परिचारककातराक्षीः. भीत्यालमङ्गज वसन्त सुराङ्गनावो मन्मानसं त्विहजुषध्वमिति ब्रुवाणः त्वं विस्मयेन परितस्तुवतामथैषां प्रादर्शयस्व परिचारककातराक्षीः.
भीत्यालमङ्गज वसन्त सुराङ्गनावो मन्मानसन्त विहजुषध्वमिति ब्रुवाणः त्वं विस्मयेन परितस्तुवतामतैषां प्रादर्शयस्व परिचारककातराक्षीः भीत्यालमङ्गजवसन्तसुरङ्गनाभो मन्मानसत्विहजषद्वमिति ब्रुवान्
Manmanasam.
Okay. Manmanasam tviha. Okay.
Yeah.
Sorry. I'll start that again. Bhityalamangajabasanta-suranganavo
Can you make sure that you're saying Suranganavo? It's a
sorry. Yeah. Sorry. Bhityalamangajavasanta-suranganavo manmanasam tviha jushadvimiti bruvanaha.
Vamiti Bruvanaha.
Jusadvamiti bruvanaha. Tvam vismayena paritastuvatamatesham pradarshayasva paricharakakatarakshihi.
Yeah. Stanza 7. Sammohanaya milita madhadayaste tvaddasika parimalaikila mohamapuhu dattam tvaya cha jagruhustrapayaiva sarva swarvasi garva shamanin punarurvashin tvam. So here, so that all the people, right, who came, so Kamadeva and everybody who had who came to actually get the Lord distracted, they were now actually very attracted and enchanted with what the Lord was showing up. And the important one here is when Urvashi, right? So we know Indra has Ramba, Menaka, Urvashi, and all of them, right? So out of that, the most prettiest of them is supposed to be Urvashi. So Urvashi was originally not there, and Urvashi actually comes out now, and she's called Urvashi because she comes out of Uru, which is the thigh, right? So in addition to all the people, the Lord said, when they all came to distract him and they all got enchanted, and the Lord said, okay, let me show you what I have. And then he pats his thigh, and out of his Uru comes a female, and that's why she's called Urvashi. So this Urvashi comes out, and when an Urvashi comes out, they all get even amazed because they've never seen anybody as pretty as that. And then, so they're saying, and then the Lord gave Urvashi to them, saying, you can take it back to Indra. And the whole idea of doing this was to kind of humble their pride, right? They all came with a lot of pride, and this was to humble their pride. So, Sammohanaya Milita Madanadayaste, Tvaddasika Parimalai Kila Mohamapuhu. Tvaddasika Parimalai Kila Moham Apuhu. Dattam Tvayacha Jagruhus Trapayeva Sarva, and then put a plus there. Jagruhus Trapayeva Sarva Swarvasi Garva Shamanim Punar Urvashintam, but you can say it together as Punarurvashintam. But actually, if you look at it again, it's Punaha Punar Urvashintam. Okay, so Dattam Tvayacha Jagruhus Trapayeva Sarva, put a plus, Swarvasi Garva Shamanim Punarurvashintam. Sammohanaya Milita Madanadayaste Tvaddasika Parimalai Kila Mohamapuhu Dattam Tvayacha Jagruhus Trapayeva Sarva Swarvasi Garva Shamanim Punarurvashintam.
Sammohanaya Milita Madanadayaste Tvaddasika Parimalai Kila Mohamapuhu Dattam Tvayacha Jagruhustrapayaiva Sarvaisvarvasi Garvashamanim Punarurvashim Tam. Sammohanaya Milita Madanadayaste Tvaddasika Parimalai Kila Mohamapuhu Dattam Tvayacha Jagruhustrapayaiva Sarvasvarvasi Garvashamanim Punarurvashim Tam.
Sammohanaya Milita Madanadayaste Tvaddasika Parimalai Kila किल मोहमापुः
किल मोहम आपुः और किल मोहम आपुः.
Okay, I'll start over. सम्मोहनाय मिलिता मदनादयस्ते त्वद्दासिका परिमलै किल मोहमापुः दत्तां त्वयच्च जगृहुस्त्रपयैव स्वर्वासि गर्वशमनीं पुनरुर्वशीं ताम् सम्मोहनाय मिलिता मदनादयस्ते त्वद्दासिका परिमलै किल मोहमापुः दत्तां त्वयच्च जगृहुस्त्रपयैव सर्वासि गर्वशमनीं पुनरुर्वशीं ताम्.
Jason, the third line, just make sure you're saying Dattam Tvayacha. Okay? Just make it.
Dattam Tvayacha.
Yeah. Stanza 8. दृष्ट्वोर्वशीं तव कथां च निशम्य शक्रः पर्याकुलो जनिबवन्महिमावमर्शात् एवं प्रशान्तरमणीयतरावतारात् त्वत्तोदिको वरद कृष्णतनुस्त्वमेव. So Drishtva Urvashim, right? So on seeing Urvashi, so he sends everybody back. Who? Shakraha, Indra, right? So Indra, now they all go back to Indra's court. And then on seeing Urvashi and Tava Katamcha Nishamya, on hearing all the stories of what happened when they all went there, Indra is like, he gets really perplexed. He's like, okay. And then Bhavat Mahima Avamarsha. So he realizes the glory of the Lord. He realizes, okay, this is not an ordinary person. This is, this is probably the Lord itself. So he realizes that thing. And then Bhattaripat says, oh Varada evam, in such a manner, Prashanta Ramaniya Tara Avatarat. So this avataram of yours, this incarnation of yours, Prashantam, it's very gentle, and Ramaniya, it's very beautiful, right? It's a very gentle and beautiful avataram of yours, Adhika, there is only one thing which exceeds this avataram itself of yours, which is Krishna Tanuhu Tvameva, is when you took birth as Lord Krishna. That was the only avataram here Bhattaripat says which is better than this avataram. So he actually is ranking this as number 2, right, in terms of prominence and importance. But of course, number like we discussed earlier is the top 10 avatarams. Now this doesn't come, right? The other avatarams come in, but so here saying it's the most gentle and wonderful avataram of yours. So first line, Drishtva Urvashim, right? So Drishtva Vashim Tava Katam Cha Nishamya Shakraha, comma, Padyakulojani Bhavan Mahimava Marshat. Mahima Avamarshat. So Mahimava Marshat. Evam Prashanta Ramaniya Taravatarat. You have to say it together. It's difficult to break it. If you really want to break it, it will be a Ramaniya Tara Avatarat. Those are 2 words. But you break it as Evam Prashanta Ramaniya Taravatarat, comma, put a it there, because the next line there will be 2 half thas will be there. So you make it it at the end of the 3rd line, comma, remove one of that half tha out of the 4th line. It becomes Twattodiko. Twattodiko Varada Krishna Tanus Tvameva. Drishtvorvashim Tava Katham Cha Nishamya Shakraha Paryakulo Janibavan Mahimavamarshat Evam Prashantaramaniya Taravatarat Twattodiko Varada Krishna Tanus Tvameva.
दृष्ट्वोर वशीं तव कथां च निशम्य शक्रः पर्याकुलो जनिभवन् महिमावमर्शात् एवं प्रशान्तरमणीयतरावतारात् त्वत्तोधिको वरद कृष्णतनुस्त्वमेव. दृष्ट्वोर्वशीं तव कथां च निशम्य शक्रः पर्याकुलो जनिभवन् महिमावमर्शात् एवं प्रशान्तरमणीयतरावतारात् त्वत्तोऽधिको वरद कृष्णतनुस्त्वमेव
दृष्ट्वोर्वशीं तव कथां च निशम्य चक्रः पर्याकुलो जनिभवन्महिमावमर्षात् एवं प्रशान्तरमणीयतरावतारात् त्वत्तोऽधिको वरद कृष्णतनुस्त्वमेव दृष्ट्वोर्वशीं तव कथां च निशम्य चक्रः पर्याकुलो जनिभवन्महिमावमर्षात् एवं प्रशान्तरमणीयतरावतारात् त्वत्तोऽधिको वरद कृष्णतनुस्तमेव तमेव
Stanza 9. Dakshastu dhaturatilālanaya rajondho natyādrishastvaicha kashtamashantirāsīt yena vyarundasa bhavantanumeva sharvam yajñe cha vairapishune swasutham vyamanīt. So, and in 8, the kind of the Naranarayana chapter is over, right? At the end of 8. And then remember, this is Naranarayana and Daksha combined together, right? So in this case, so Daksha, then what's happening here is Dhatuhu Ati Lalaneya. So because of being Brahma's son, he has a lot of power, right? And then Raja Andaha. So he gets blinded, Andaha with Raja, with the arrogance. And what he does, and Kashtam, and because of that, what he does is he's Ashantihi. He is now restless. He doesn't have peace in his mind. And because of that, what he does is he goes and he has problems and he has arguments with Lord Shiva. So this, you guys know the story, right? So Daksha walks in, this Prajapati is doing a yagam, everyone stands up, Brahma and Shiva don't stand up, but then since Brahma is his father, he doesn't say anything, and then he has a problem with Shiva, so Daksha then conducts another yagam, and he doesn't invite Shiva and Sati. So that's what this is all compiled into this one line here saying, Bhavat Thanumeva Sharvam. So Lord Shiva, who is you itself, right? You in the form of Lord Shiva, and then Yajna cha Vairapishne. So during the Yajna, Daksha did show enmity to Shiva. Swa Sutam Vyamani, even to his Sutam, even to his own daughter, he insulted. Right? And all of this was because he wasn't paying much respect to you, so he was not having a peace of mind, and then he did all this. So that is covered in 9. So Dakshastu Dhaturati Lalanaya Rajondo, comma, Natyadrishas Tvaicha Kashtam Ashanti Rasi. It's all one line together. Natyadrishas Tvaicha Kashtam Ashanti Rasit. Yena
இங்க நாத்யா திருத்தஸ்னு போட்டிருக்கேன்.
Dhritas. Sorry, yeah. Nathya Dhritas Tvaicha Kashtam Ashanti Rasi Yena Vyarunda Sa Bhavat Thanumeva Sharvam Yajnecha Vairapishune Swasutam Vyamani. So no changes. Let me chant it that way. Dakshastu Dhaturati Lalanaya Rajondo Natya Dhritastvaicha Kashtamashanti Rasit Yena Vyarunda Sabhavat Thanumeva Sharvam Yajne cha Vairapishune Swasutam Vyamanit.
Dakshastu Dhaturati Lalanaya Rajondho Natya Dhritastvaicha Kashtamashanti Rasit Yena Vyarundhasa Bhavattanumeva Sharvam Yagye cha Vairapishune Swasutam Vyamanit. Dakshastu Dhaturati Lalanaya Rajondho Natya Dhritastvaicha Kashtamashanti Rasit Yena Vyarundhasa Bhavattanumeva Sharvam Yajne cha Vairapishune Swasutam Vyamanit.
Dakshastu Dhaturati Lalanaya Rajondo Natyadritastvaicha Kashtamashanti Yena Virundasa Bhavattanumeva Sharvam Yajne cha Vairapishune Swasutam Vyamani. Dakshastu dhaturathilalanaya rajondo natyaditastvaicha kashtamashantirāsīt yena virunda sabhavatanumeva sharvam yajne cha vairapishune svasutam yamanīt.
Yeah, stanza 10. Kriddeshamarditamakas satukritta shirsho deva prasadita haradathalabdha jivaha tvatpurita kratuvarah punarapashantim sattvam prashantikara pahi marutpuresha. So then in the Daksha Shiva story, we know what happens after that, right? So Parvati goes, and then Sati goes, and then Daksha insults Sati. And then what Sati then does is, with her yogic power, she destroys herself, she destroys her body. Then Shiva then gets angry, and then Veerabhadra then comes out of Shiva's hair, and the matted locks, right? Veerabhadra comes. Veerabhadra then goes and chops off Daksha's head, and then Shiva puts this goat's head on Daksha. So that's pretty much summarized here. So Krishna Isha Marditamaha, so Shiva who disrupts the yajna, and then Satakritta Shirshaha, so he beheads, Daksha's head gets beheaded, and then Deva Prasadita Hara. So and then everybody approach Shiva and say, okay, you know what, don't do this, let's kind of get him back to life. And then Labdha Jivaha, you give him his life back. So that's what happens here. And then Tvat Purita Kratuvara, so then the yajna then eventually gets completed. Daksha is able to complete his yajna, and then Punaha Apashantim, he gets his peace of mind again. So Sattvam Prashantikara, so O Lord, the one who bestows calmness, right? Pahi Marutpuresha, protect me, O Lord of Guruvayur, the one who bestows calmness. So here that's the essence of this thing. So Kruddesha, this is it's got a the and then another the at the bottom, right? So Kruddesha Mardita Makaha irukku, and then there's a sa, so you can put a is in between. Kruddesha Mardita Makas Satu Kritta Shirsho Kritta Shirsho Deva Prasadita Haradata Labdha Jivaha Tvatpurita Kratuvara Punarapashantim Sattvam Prashantikara Pahi Marutpuresha. Kriddesha Mardita Makas Satukritta Shirsho Deva Prasadita Haradata Labdha Jivaha Tvatpurita Kratuvara Punarapashantim Sattvam Prashantikara Pahi Marutpuresha.
Kruddesha Sharmida Makas
Sorry, Kriddesha Mardita Makas dane.
நான் வேற தான் சொன்னேனா?
I think it's Sharmita or something.
Okay. Kruddesha Mardita Makas Tukritash. அது ஃபர்ஸ்ட் லைன் திருப்பி ஒரு வாட்டி சொல்லுங்க.
Kriddesha Mardita Makas Satukritta Shirsho, and the sa and tu you say it together.
Okay. Kruddesha Mardita Makas Satukritta Shirsho Deva Prasadita Haradata Labdha Jivaha Tvatpurita Krutuvara Tvatpurita Kratuvara Punarapashantim Sattvam Prashantikara Pahi Marutpuresha. Kruddesha Mardita Makas Satukritta Shirsho Deva Prasadita Haradata Labdha Jivaha Tvatpurita Kratuvara Punarapashantim Sattvam Prashantikara Pahi Marutpuresha.
On the first first line, it's Kruddesha. I don't know, something was different when you said it. I don't know what you said.
Abdiya.
So just make sure. Just say the first line maybe.
Okay. Kruddesha Mardita Makas Satukritta Shirsho.
Okay. And again, I'm still hearing it as kr instead of kru.
Abdiya.
In the first letter.
Kruddesha.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's right. Yeah.
क्रुद्धेशमद्दितमकः स तु कृत्तशीर्षो देवप्रसादितहरादतलब्धजीवः पुनरापशान्तिं सत्वं प्रशान्तिकर पाहि मरुत्पुरेश क्रुद्धेशमद्दितमकः स तु कृत्तशीर्षो देवप्रसादितः राधतलब्धजीवः त्वत्पूरितक्रतुवर पुनरापशान्तिं सत्वं प्रशान्तिकर पाहि मरुत्पुरेश.
Krishnaya Parabrahmane Namaha. Good, we finished a lot early today. So maybe I don't want to, let's maybe do a couple of stanzas of the next one. Does anybody remember what the next chapter was? I don't have it in front of me.
Idu paathu solren oru nimisham.
Jambudvipa mode of worship.
Okay, mode of worship. Okay, 21. All right, let's maybe do a couple of stanzas of that, right? And then we can stop maybe 5 minutes early. And I think this is also same tune as the previous chapter, so it should be easy. So Dasakam 21. Those who are having printouts, I know Kashyap may not have it.
Yeah, I don't have it. So what should I do?
Just listen. Okay. Madhyodbhave buvaila vritanamni varshe गौरी प्रदान वनिता जनमात्र भाजी शर्वेन मंत्रनुतिभिः समुपास्यमानं संकर्षणात्मकमधीश्वर संश्रये त्वाम्. So I'll explain the meaning for this in the next next class. But essentially here it is what essentially Bhattacharya is going to talk about is in the whole Jambudvipa in the world, which part of the world they worship the Lord in what form. That's what this is actually describing, right? So Madhyodbhave Bhuva Ilavrita Namni Varshe, Ilavrita Namni Varshe, Gauri Pradana Vanitajana Matra Bhaji. Gauri Pradana Vanitajana Matra Bhaji. Sharvena Mantra Nutibih. Nutibihi irukku. Inga put is that. Sharvena Mantra Nutibis Samupasyamanam, Sankarshanatmakam Adhishwara Samshrayetvam. Let's try to say it together. Sankarshanatmakam Adhishwara Samshrayetvam. So, Madhyodbhave Bhuvaila Vritanamni Varshe Gauri Pradhana Vanita Janamatra Bhaji Sharvena Mantranutibis Samupasyamanam Sankarshanatmakam Adhishwara Samshrayetvam.
Madhyodbhave Bhuvaila Vritanamni Varshe Gauri Pradhana Vanita Janamatra Bhaji Sharvena Mantranutibhis Samupasyamanam Sankarshanatmakamadhishwara Samshrayetvam. Madhyodbhave Bhuvaila Vritanamni Varshe Gauri Pradhana Vanita Janamatra Bhaji Sharvena Mantranutibhis Samupasyamanam Sankarshanatmakamadhishwara Samshrayetvam.
Madhyodbhave Bhuvaila Vritanamni Varshe Gauri Pradhana Vanita Janamatra Bhaji Sharvena Mantranutibis Nutibis. Okay. Sharvena Mantranutibis Samupasyamanam Sankarshanatmakam Adhishwara Samshrayetvam. Madhyodbhave Bhuvaila Vritanam Nivarshe Gauri Pradhana Vanita Janamatra Bhaji Sharvena Mantranutibis Samupasyamanam Sankarshanatmakam Adhishwara Samshrayetvam.
Rajesh, ஒரே ஒரு question இங்க சம்கர்ஷமா இல்ல சங்கர்ஷமா?
Sang, அது வந்து ing. It's like it's a N and a G, although you don't say the G, right? Ing.
So okay, sankarsh.
Sang, yeah.
I think I was saying it's some, so adanaala.
Okay, அது வந்து it's very difficult. Yeah, sometimes it's difficult to hear that. It is, yeah, it is the closest you can write it is N.
Ing. Okay.
Ing.
It's yeah, sankarsh. Okay.
Sankarshana.
Okay, thank you.
Answer 2. भद्राश्वनामकैलावृतपूर्ववर्षे भद्रश्रवोभिऋषिभिः परिणूयमानं कल्पान्तगूढनिगमोद्धरणप्रवीणं ध्यायामि देवहयशीर्षतनुं भवन्तम्. And this is, I think this chapter, I feel like you should be able to, like, it's like an everyday chapter, Mari. Like, because in the over paragraph, they say, yeah, I'm worshipping you in this form, I'm worshipping you in this form, right? So Bhadrashra, and last time we saw the Bhadrashramam, right? So the same place. Bhadrashra namaka ilavrita purva varshe Bhadra shravobhir rishibih parinuyamanam. Bhadra shravobhir rishibih parinuyamanam kalpanta guda nigamodharana pravinam. Nigam uddharana. So nigamodharana pravinam dhyayami deva hayashirsha thanum bhavantam. So Bhadrashvanamakaila purva varshe Bhadrashravobhirishibih parinuyamanam Kalpanta Guda Nigamodharana Pravinam Dhyayami Deva Hayashirshatanum Bhavantam.
Rajesh, in the second line or what cholunga and the shravobhir.
Okay, so Bhadra Shravobhir.
And then rishibhir.
Rishibihin irukliya, anga you can put a F there, okay? F, because okay. Parinuyamanam varudhu. So Rishibih Parinuyaman.
Okay. भद्राश्वनामक इलावृतपूर्ववर्षे
भद्रश्रवोभिर्ऋषिभिः
okay, भद्रश्रवोभिर्ऋषिभिः परिणूयमानं कल्पान्तगूढनिगमोद्धरणप्रवीणं ध्यायामि देवहयशीर्षतनुं भवन्तम्. भद्राश्वनामक इलावृतपूर्ववर्षे भद्रश्रवोभिर्ऋषिभिः परिणूयमानं कल्पान्तगूढनिगमोद्धरणप्रवीणं ध्यायामि देवहयशीर्षतनुं भवन्तम्.
भद्राश्वनामक इलावृतपूर्ववर्षे भद्रश्रवोभिर्ऋषिभिः परिणूयमानं कल्पान्तगूढनिगमोद्धरणप्रवीणं ध्यायामि देवहयशीर्षतनुं भवन्तम्. भद्राश्वनामक इलावृतपूर्ववर्षे भद्रश्रवोभिर्ऋषिभिः परिणूयमानं कल्पान्तगूढनिगमोद्धरणप्रवीणं ध्यायामि देवहयशीर्षतनुं भवन्तम्.
I think there you're adding an extra sha to one of the Hayashirsha Tanum, the body of Hayashirsha, in the form of Hayashirsha.
So dhyayami deva hayashirshatanum bhavantam.
Correct. That's right. Correct. Third. Dhyayami dakshinagate harivarsha varshe prahlada mukya purushai parishevyamanam uttunga shanta davala kritimeka shuddha jnana pradam naraharim bhagavan bhavantam. I think this will be a good place to stop. So in this saying Naraharim. So here is Bhadrapada is telling where you are worshipped as Nara and Hari, which is what we learned in the previous chapter, right? So Dhyayami Dakshinagate Harivarsha Varshe, comma, Prahlada Mukya purushai parishevymanam. And then the third and the fourth line, you can put a plus to say it together. Uttunga shanta dhavalakritim ekashuddha. Uttunga shanta dhavalakritim ekashuddha jnana pradam naraharim bhagavan bhavantam. Dhyayami dakshinagate harivarsha varshe prahlada mukhya purushai parishevymanam uttunga shanta dhavala kritimeka shuddha jnana pradam naraharim bhagavan bhavantam.
ध्यायामि दक्षिणगते हरिवर्षवर्षे प्रह्लादमुख्यपुरुषैः परिसेव्यमानम् उत्तुङ्गशान्तधवलाकृतिमेकशुद्धज्ञानप्रदं नरहरिं भगवन् भवन्तम् ध्यायामि दक्षिणगते हरिवर्षवर्षे प्रह्लादमुख्यपुरुषैः परिसेव्यमानम् उत्तुङ्गशान्तधवलाकृतिमेकशुद्धज्ञानप्रदं नरहरिं भगवन् भवन्तम्
ध्यायामि दक्षिणगते हरिवर्षवर्षे प्रह्लादमुख्यपुरुषैः परिसेव्यमानम् उत्तुङ्गशान्तधवलाकृतिमेकशुद्ध ज्ञानप्रदं नरहरिं भगवन् भवन्तम् ध्यायामि दक्षिणगते हरिवर्षवर्षे प्रह्लादमुख्यपुरुषैः परिसेव्यमानम् उत्तुङ्गशान्तधवलाकृतिमेकशुद्ध ज्ञानप्रदं नरहरिं भगवन् भवन्तम्.
Just two small corrections, Jayashree. One in the first line, it's prahlada, right? It's a half ha. Okay.
Half. Okay.
Prahlada. And the last line is gyan kekada. I'm hearing it as gya. It's not gya. It's nya. Jnana pradam.
Oh, okay. Sorry, my mistake. Jnanapradam. Yeah. Okay.
Okay. All right. Okay, so we'll stop it here then. Shri Krishnaya Parabrahmane Namaha. Next week.
Do we have class next week?
I'm okay. Sunday, what do you guys think? You guys think we should take a break for Diwali or?
I'm okay.
What does everybody else feel?
I think we should be okay.
Yeah, Saturday is Diwali, right? Actually.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm
we
just
should go.
worried I may not have time to practice. That's why I just wanted to.
You're just setting the stage for next week, huh? If everybody is available, then we can do it. You know,
Okay.
Diwali is anyway.
Yeah, maybe Thanksgiving time la break eduthukalam.
Correct. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, we'll finish. Sandhanandhavabodatmakamanupamittam kaladeshavalivyam nirmuktam nityamuktam nigamashatasahasrena nirbhasyamanam aspashtam drishtamatre punarurupurusharthatmakam brahmatattvam tattavadbhadi sakshat gurubhavanapure hanta bhagyam jananam कायेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रियैर्वा बुद्ध्यात्मना वा प्रकृते स्वभावात् करोमि यत् सकलं परस्मै नारायणायेति समर्पयामि.
Thank you, Rajesh.
Okay, thank you everyone.
Thanks, Rajesh.
Thank you.